this video I show you how to fix this video is unavailable error code 152 and 18 smartTube error on Android TV. For fixing this, go to your settings, scroll down and go to apps, scroll down, see all apps, then scroll down and find out smartTube app. Click on smartTube, click on force stop, click on OK, then click on clear data and click on OK. Now go back and check that your smartTube app is working or not. If this method not working, then update your smartTube app. I hope that this method fix your problem.